Hello everybody, Mr. Heave here, and today we're going to talk about using the input function. So the input function is very, very important. We're going to use it a lot. So make sure you're paying attention and you fully understand this video. So the input function is kind of like the print function. So if I type in input, how are you? If I run this, and first I should say that I started a new function, or started a new program here, and I named it input function. So you can see I have a new file. So when I run this, it's going to say, how are you? And one thing that's different about this is I can type down here, fine. It doesn't do very much. I can just type it in. That's something that the print function doesn't have. Now watch when I use the print function. If I say print, how are you? It says how are you, but I can't really respond. I could write something, but it doesn't do very much. So the input function allows me to respond to the thing. It doesn't do very much. It just, now we're able to respond. The next thing we need to do is we want to save this. Maybe I'll say name equals input. What is your name? And now this doesn't do a whole lot, but it's a little bit more. My name's Jeremy. Say, type in Jeremy. And not much, there's not a lot that happens, but now whenever I type name, it's saved as the variable Jeremy. So it says input what is your name, and then whatever I put here, it'll save as the word name. That's very important because now we can use that in another statement. Now I'm going to use a print statement that says, I'm going to say hi, and then if I want to add the name at the end, I'm going to say plus name. Now let's see how this works. I'm going to run it, and it says, what is your name? I'm going to say Jeremy, and it says, hi Jeremy, which is all right. I still see something I really don't like. I don't like that there's not a space there. So I'm going to go after the I and hi and before the end of the parentheses, that string, I'm going to put another space there. So in this string, it has hi and then space. So now when I run this, now I'm just going to write Mr. Heeb. Now it says, hi Mr. Heeb. So whatever we write for an answer, it's going to say hi, whatever that answer is.